Hello. My name is Ranveer. I am the founder of Prometheus AI, and we help MCA companies, merchant cash advance, payday loan, personal loan, really any type of lender install AI agents, whether that's conversational AI, chatbots, SMS, anything of that nature, just to get your speed to lead under 1 minute. That's really the key. And also give your clients or prospects a much better experience when they do give you a ring. And what I'm going to do in this video is show you what most of your competition is doing and what you are probably doing as well. The way that you guys have your phone system set up, it's very tedious, doesn't make me want to, stay on the phone and talk to you. And a lot of the times I don't even get through to somebody. So keep that in mind as I go through this and think about how many prospects you are losing because of the friction that your phone system has. Okay. You can do this for inbound or outbound when I say, voice AI agents, but this is specifically for inbound. Okay. Now, I'm in Toronto, Canada. So I've just Googled merchant cash advance companies or merchant lenders in Toronto. Okay. You can see that some of these have been pulled up. The time today, it's Thursday, September 23rd. I don't know if y'all can see that. Thursday, September 23rd, 1:29 p.m. Okay. So middle of the business day. It's not a weekend, not an evening. And these are some companies. I'm going to start to call them and let's see what happens. And then we're going to do the AI call afterwards, and then you'll see the difference between this. So Synergy Merchants, what's their number? Let's start with them. Oh, pretty bad reviews, but 1-877-718-2026. Okay. I'll put it on speaker.
Thank you for calling Synergy Merchant Services, where opportunity meets convenience. If you know the 3-digit extension for the person you're trying to reach, please enter it now. For sales, press 1. For customer service. You are now in the queue to be connected to the first available representative. Please do not hang up. Your call is very important to us.
I don't want to wait. Do you see what I mean? I got added to a queue. This is like when you call a bank, when you call your phone company, anybody, they add you to a queue. And the problem with adding you to a queue or adding your clients to a queue in this case is I can just go down the list and go to the next because I don't need to wait. There's so many options. For me, especially in the merchant industry, merchant cash advance, payday loans, it's not like the rates are bank rates, right? They're going to be above 12, 13, 14%. Merchant de facto rate is going to be whatever it is, right? It doesn't really change. So there's nothing stopping me from now going to the next, which is Capital Advance. And let's see if they have a better phone system in place. 1-888-326-8239, ring, speaker. Let's see.
Hi, and thank you for calling Capital Advance Corporation. Please listen to the following options. Press 1 if you're a Canadian small business looking for working capital. Press 2. Please wait while we connect your call.
What is that, about 15 seconds? Not waiting. Let's go to the next. Smarter Loans, pretty good reviews, lots of reviews, 163. Let's see what they make me go through. 9867, speaker.
Hello and thank you for calling Smarter Loans, Canada's loan directory, where you can find a loan for any purpose from Canada's most reputable lenders. To get started, please visit us online at www.smarter.loans. Thank you and have a great day.
Wow, I didn't even hang up. It just said, hey, go to our website and apply and then you might get a loan. Why are companies adding so much friction to give out money, right? And I'm young, right? I don't really care for going online. I guess I'm a little bit different than most of the people my age, but a lot of business owners, a lot of people who are in these predicaments, they need payday loans, they need cash fast, they're older, right? Imagine a 50-year-old picking up the phone, calling, and then being told to go online, fill out a form, and then maybe they'll get a call back after that. Why not just do it all over the phone? It's so easy to set up. And again, think about the amount of clients, prospects, deals that you are not closing because of the friction in your sales process, right? I just chose 3 random ones. Let's do one more. Why not? Okay. Montreal, Quebec. I don't speak French. I hope they speak English, but I have a feeling it might be the same type of phone system. 1-877-682-0459. Let's give them a ring.
The number you dialed is temporarily unavailable.
Okay, so they don't even check their numbers. This is actually ridiculous. I did not know this is what was going to happen. But yeah, I'm going to now call with the AI and show you guys what that looks like and how that sounds. And then you decide which one you think your prospects would enjoy more and which one would allow you to have a smoother process. All right, so don't get overwhelmed by what you see on the screen here, but the voice AI agent is going to call. Basically, it gets triggered from a few different things. We can set this to what it needs to be, but it could be a form submission on your website through Facebook or like an ad online, or this could just be set up to take all inbound calls, right? And then also it could be set up if you have like a lead list of thousands of people, you can do outbound calls to them as well. But let's see what this AI sounds like and how it operates.
Lending. I see you filled out a form for our merchant lending services.
I did. I only have a few minutes, Paula, so can we keep this brief?
Absolutely. I'll keep it quick. Are you currently open to extra funding for your business or just exploring options right now?
No, I'm always open for funding. It just depends on the rate.
Totally get that. The rate's a big deal. Just so we're on the same page, do you already know how a merchant cash advance works? Or would you like a quick rundown?
Oh yeah, I've taken MCAs many times in the past. I know what this is all about. So let's just get to the important stuff.
Got it. You're a pro at this. Just so I don't waste your time. How long have you been in business, and are you currently bringing in at least $10,000 a month in revenue?
Yeah, I've been in business for over 15 years, and I'm doing way more than 10,000. You said I'm doing like 25, 30, 40,000 a month. Okay.
Perfect. That's super helpful. And just to clarify, what kind of business are you running right now?
I run a restaurant and a cafe.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing. We've actually helped a lot of restaurant owners with this type of funding. It tends to fit really well since you've got steady daily sales. Is there a specific reason you're looking into funding right now? Maybe expansion, covering payroll, or something else?
Do you really need to know that? Like, I have my reasons for why I need funding.
Totally fair. I respect your privacy. I just ask because sometimes it helps me match you with the best options, but it's not required. Based on what you've told me, I'm confident we can get you some solid offers. Would you like me to send over the application so you can see what's available?
Yeah, let's do that. And I'll get back to you if I'm interested.
Sounds good. I'll send over a short application. Just need your last 3 months of business bank statements. What's the best email address to send it to? And could you spell it out for me just to make sure I get it right?
abc@restaurant.com.
Thanks. So that's A as in apple, B as in boy, C as in cat at restaurant.com. Did I get that right?
Yep.
Perfect. You'll see the application in your inbox in just a second. Once you've had a chance to look it over, would you prefer I call you back later today around 6 p.m. or tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. to go over your options?
Let's do tomorrow, but I can't do 9:30.
No problem at all. What time tomorrow works best for you?
Can we do like around noon Eastern, so lunchtime?
Absolutely. Noon Eastern works great. I'll call you then to walk through your options and answer any questions. Looking forward to it. Have a great rest of your day.
All right, you as well. See ya.
Thanks so much.
All right, so you see how that's very different. And I also kind of was being a dick to her, not really, but I gave her a few objections. I was like, hey, just let's get to the good stuff. I've used MCAs before. She said, hey, or what did I say? I was like, just send the application and I'll call you back if I'm interested. She ignored that completely. And she's like, hey, I'm going to send this over to you. When do you want me to call you back, today or tomorrow? So it's very good at ignoring objections or handling objections and then scheduling follow-ups, making sure that no deal is left unturned and there's always something happening. So that's all I'm going to stop at today. Again, I don't really like to tell businesses what to do, but I like to show what's possible. And based on the differences between the first half of this video and what you just heard, you can decide which one you think your prospects would enjoy more versus which path creates more friction for them to actually get a loan from you. Okay. And again, if you are interested, we will create all of this for you. We will connect all of what you see on the screen here, all the databases, all the calendars, make sure that it's working. We'll code the AI, et cetera, for you. Just reply to the email that we sent over or use the booking link below this video and we can chat more. Take care.